The commonalities between diabetes and Alzheimer's. First of all, both are linked to insulin resistance. Secondly, both are caused due to chronic inflammation. In diabetes, inflammation causes insulin resistance, whereas in Alzheimer's, inflammation causes progression of the disease, which further causes cognitive decline. Diabetes is a risk factor for various cardiovascular diseases, which impacts the blood flow to different organs, including the brain. Vascular components that affect these blood vessels cause cognitive decline in Alzheimer's. Risk factor for both are obesity, physical inactivity, poor diet and lifestyle. Both are age related, that is increased risk with age progression. Diabetes is insulin resistance, whereas in Alzheimer's we need to understand that the brain also has insulin receptors, and if insulin signaling is affected, then it affects memory. Insulin resistance causes certain pathological features. For example, some changes in the brain. We can see certain abnormal protein deposits in the brain. For example, beta amyloid plaques or tau tangles. Alzheimer's is also known as type 3 diabetes, although not universally accepted, but there is a lot of ongoing research on the neurodegenerative disease and the relation between insulin resistance, diabetes and Alzheimer's.